Hello viewers, I am H. Manibharati, final year student from Department of Commerce, KCS Kasnara College of Arts and Science. In this slide, we are going to briefly discuss about the financial statement analysis from management accounting subject. Firstly, in this slide, we are going to see the meaning and definition for financial statement analysis. Meaning, financial statement analysis is a study of relationship among various factors in a business as disclosed by financial statement of a firm. The analysis shows the trend of the factors and will helps in evaluation of component parts. It is the process of analyzes a company financial statement for decision making purpose. Then definition. Financial statement analysis is the process of reviewing and evaluating a company's financial statements such as the balance sheet or profit and loss statement, thereby gaining an understanding of the financial health of the company and enabling more effective decision making. Secondly, in this slide, we are going to see the objectives for financial statement analysis. Objectives. First point, understand reported financial data. Second point, better manage a business. Third point, providing a base for rational decision making through the major focus of separate analysis and types of decision under consideration will vary. Fourth point, make a reasonable assessment of future financial condition based on present and past financial conditions and on best available estimate of future economic occurrences. Thirdly, in this slide, we are going to see the needs for financial statement analysis. First point, mere a glance of the financial accounts of a company does not provide useful information simply because they are raw in nature. Second point, the information provided in the financial statements is not an end to itself, as no meaningful conclusion can be drawn from their statements alone. Third point, a proper analysis and interpretation of financial statement can provide valuable insights into a firm's performance. Fourth point, it enables investors and creditors to evaluate past performance and financial position and predict future performance. In this slide, we are going to discuss about the importance and limitations for financial statement analysis. Importance. First point, holding of share provides meaningful information for shareholder decisions. Second point, decisions and plans provides meaningful information for the company's management in making decisions. Third point, extension of credit provides information to creditors for decision on granting loans and demanding levels of interest. Fourth point, investment decision provides information for investors whether to invest a company or not. Then limitations. First point, statements are largely historical and involve many estimates. Second point, comparability between firms may be difficult. Third point, financial ratios are only indicators. Specific reasons for problems must still be identified. Fourth point, external factors will often impact the financial results of a company. Here we are going to see the main tools for financial statement analysis. First one, comparative statement or comparative financial and operating statements. Second one, common size statements. Third one, trend relation or trend analysis. Fourth one, average analysis. Fifth one, statement of changes in working capital. Sixth one, fund flow analysis. Seventh one, cash flow analysis. Eighth one, ratio analysis. And ninth one, cost volume profit. Thank you all for listening to my video.